Good afternoon, Internet. I'm our universe guy here with some Stormworks because I was gonna play anyways, and I figured I might as well stream a little because I haven't been streaming a lot lately. Hi, how are you all doing? Stormworks, build and rescue. This is a little pusher prop uh fighter aircraft I've been working on. It's got some massively chonky wings. I imagine that'll let it fly super slow. Uh, I need to wire up a few more things before it's flight ready, but it is kind of close. My goal here is really to get a pusher prop without, um, shoot, what's it called? My mind's drawing a blank. Without the front fins, whatever the fuck they're called. I'll remember it eventually. I'm wildly ashamed. I forgot. Oh, I got comments. Already. Oh, I don't have my chat thing open. Hello, I see you. Give me 1 second. Chat app. I don't even have my stuff set up properly. Hello. Oh, great. Is it not going to show? Why aren't you properly showing my stuff? There we go. Oh, dragon. Is it just you? One sec. My chat's super behind now. Come on. I believe in you. Just you? Why are you mad at me then? Oh no, I don't think I can get it to show the messages I missed. Why not? I bet it'll work if I go to Twitch. Yeah, I hate doing. By the way, Twitch, really dumb website design. What's Arizona Sunshine? What do you mean, what's Arizona? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah. All right. Anyways, Twitch, really crap. What? What? God, give me 1 sec. I'll fucking fix it. It's because when I went to change the restream thing, it like auto selected something because of the title. I'm not playing whatever the fuck that is. I don't know why it didn't take it, but here. I'll fucking fix it, cause god damn it. Stormworks, build and rescue. Okay. Now I have to go to YouTube also. Ugh. Such a pain. Actually, I think YouTube one's probably correct. Um, Let me check this really quick. Wow, this is fairly stupid. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have forced anything onto that. Where's the stream? Go to um why is it so hard to find the live streaming dashboard? Okay. No, it just crashed. Wow, that took entirely too long to get here. I think it's set up correctly. I don't even know. Fuck it. Why some of these are not set up to like be usable. The YouTube dashboard sucks. The Facebook dashboard sucks. The stream dashboard's tolerable. YW. What's YW mean? Stop with all your elite speak. What you become some e-girl and suddenly you're all full elite speak and crap? You're welcome. Oh, okay. Thank you. Shit. All right, so yeah, here's this thing. Also, should you really have your phone out and streaming while you're trying to get the child to sleep? That seems counterintuitive. Judgy McJudgerson here. All right, so I got this here, and it's very set up very rudimentary. So I got twin autocannons. It's got two hard points. You know, I could probably add an additional hard point right here. It's probably too close to the wheel, to be honest. My point was to keep this pretty simple. I don't want to have a crap ton of hard points. It's supposed to be like a um volume is low. I'm also talking really low. Um and yeah, my volume seems correct on my stream, so that just means you have. Oh, you're saying your volume on your phone. No, I'm not having enough of the emo to be eager. That's funny. Okay, so what am I fucking doing? I am trying. I need to start programming this to fly. I was thinking with this, I kind of want to do a flight computer, but I really need to make sure it flies at all first. It does have Elevon. I do need to make a mixer for the Elevons. An Elevon mixer is pretty basic. I can cram it right back here behind the seat. I went ahead and saved myself this 2x3 microcontroller. That way, it's easy. Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. To put places, I know what direction it will grow so that I don't accidentally smash bricks with it, as often happens. So, composite input from the C, number output to left of one, and number output to right of one. Okay. And then, yeah, it won't ever get bigger than that, so I can just crunch it down. Left and right elevon. Okay. Wait, let me double check what order the seat outputs composites. A and D is 1, WS is 2. Let's wire this up. So the right elevon here, left elevon is there. Okay, so it's composite read channel 1, composite read channel 2. So it's roll and pitch. And function block. One for the left elevon. One for the right elevon. Okay. So both of them can take pitch as the Y value and roll as the X value. Okay, so the left elevon will simply be y times 0.5 plus x times 0.5, and then this one will be y times 0.5 plus x times 0.5. Yeah, negative x, right? And now I just update this. Make sure everything has electricity. I've been testing stuff, not everything's wired. So the elevons need power. Spawn it. Is that a Genshin Impact emoji? Yeah. Where'd you get Genshin Impact? Everything's exactly backwards. Okay. Negative y minus. Then negative y plus. It's default. That's cool. In Minecraft. Okay, up, down, left, right. Left and up. Or right and up, right and down, left and up, left and down. Right now I just need to make that way the fuck faster. And sensitivity to like 50%. Like 50%. Save. On. Bonk. I like how much that front landing gear flexes when it slams into the ground. Yeah, that's probably too fast. I want to go like 30%. 30. Roll. Pitch. Having fun with your emotes? What was that last one? I don't recognize it. Yeah, that's probably a good speed. I can probably work it. Hope that's enough authority for everything. Looks like a warhog on its side. Is that what it's supposed to be? Or is that just what it looks like? Green team. Upte. Right. Oh yeah, I was working on an engine controller. I need RPMs. I need like a switch for that. Deal with that later, I guess. Okay. Now for this one. Okay. All right, there. Dragon, I think you're getting a little too familiar with those emotes. New. Okay. For right now, I know I have this fancy switch box logic going on right now because this is my constant RPM. So the PID determines the throttle value. And the throttle is these expressions. And then it's got an on-off switch for power. Okay. So fuel is always going to be 0.5x. Right, okay. Rooster sounds sick today. Deal with it. I'm trying to be quiet. Also, again, you're supposed to be getting the child to sleep. You're making me make noise. What the fuck? Ah, gosh. Okay. So fuel is always 1/2 of the desired throttle setting. And then he's louder than your phone. Well, can't you hear me through the wall? Um, okay. And then it will eventually be that I measure the amount of air flow compared to fuel, and that's how I adjust the air for the mixture. But for now, I'm going to 0.25x. Okay. So it will not auto seek the RPMs. I really should get that working. Let me see. Okay. And this is probably going to want to be set. So what's the range from 4 to 20 is 16. So if that's the maximum range, 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then 1 divided by 8 is, I'm going to say 0.2 is probably a good estimate for the amount the throttle should change. Okay. And then in the cockpit, I need an engine RPM dial for now. I just spelled dial. Engine RPMs. And then the toggle button. Engine RPM. Excuse me, gosh. And then a simple power. You here. You go there. And then I need a breaker. Always keep your power separate from stuff. I find that makes problem solving a lot simpler. This here is electrical power. So basically, for any of that stuff to work, it's all going to be on the electrical power. Electrical power goes to the battery. Guns are tied to that. Basically everything that doesn't need to work 24/7 is going to be tied to this. Okay. And this one's also going to power the fluid heaters, or the fluid cooler, not heater. That's also going to get powered off of this. Oh yeah, and now I need a separate button for a starter button. This here is going to be starter. I don't like having an engine auto start. I used to make them, but they would just like fuck everything up. Like engine auto starts are real bad. The minute you're in an emergency, which in this game is like 24/7. So I don't do engine auto starts anymore. They... Okay. Alright, so power. Engine power. I need to run electricity to the starter button. There we go. Not working. Cool. What is broken? Oh, the starter doesn't have any electrical power. Easy fix. Hmm. Okay. So now I need dials to see what the air and fuel controller are outputting. This is all just like standard testing procedure. Whenever you build a new engine, because I don't have an engine controller I love. I haven't built one that I love yet. Okay, air is on the left, fuel is on the right. Air, fuel. Hopefully I get one out of building this jet or this plane. Oh, it's because those are backwards. Or dirt. Okay. The fuel needs to be 25 and the air needs to be 5. Okay, now it should run. You're working now? Hmm. Why you know, catch on. Why won't you work? Mm hmm. Okay, so I mean it was outputting good numbers. Values on those numbers that were coming out should be enough. Maybe I should make the PID more aggressive. Either more or less aggressive. It's one of the two. Wink. Probably less aggressive. Anyone? That's. I need to double check that the fuel did spawn correctly. Because that could be a big reason why shit's not working. So one of these, good level. Cool. Okay. Fuel is not working correctly. So there's a hole in my fuel tank. Dun dun dun. We start looking for sources of that hole. To turn mirroring. Okay, pipe angle. Could potentially close hole. Think I need to another pipe angle over here. Pipe right here, but I really need like all the fuel I can get because wing tanks are not overly large. Okay. Let's try it now. Guy has gas? No. Gotta be on the bottom part. Something's just not like getting recognized as being solid, like pretty common. Whenever I make these custom tanks mode. But it's a stupid wing, right? It should, like, that should be the whole wing part, right? And else is solid block. Fully enclosed, otherwise it might just be that one. Suppose I could just delete it. I like to avoid doing that. Yeah. Alright. This fixes. Try you now. Yes, that fixed. Yeah, the 600 fuel for all the work I put into those wings. Great. Especially because I had to fill off that one inner wing section. But I suppose I could put a hard point there now pretty easily. Or I removed the plumbing from this outboard. Didn't like it anyway. No plumbing, but it'll give me some cool. Also move it back, but I really, yeah, that's like right in line with the CG. I don't want. Okay. Yeah. 750 per week. Like I literally could have had more fuel when I originally built. Had 3 of the medium. That's literally. Oh well. All right. So the engine RPMs is doing a thing. Now I need to set up the controller for the blade pitch and get the blade RPMs do a better job. So if I make it slightly more aggressive and then slight integral into whatever the fuck that is, right? It should be able to consistently hold. That's on. Yeah, that's why I don't like the way this implements the integral. It just goes fucking haywire, and there's like no way to prevent it. Short of only activating the PID under certain circumstances, which should be um, grid on and stuff and things. So I'll just turn the integral off for now. Use a derivative instead. Whatever. It's all pretty cheap in the end. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, derivative is not really strong enough to get the engine RPMs perfect. I could uh, make it a lot stronger. See what difference this makes. Absolutely none whatsoever. That's odd. We should be doing something. There we go. Now it's way too aggressive. But at least it's doing... Okay. Why is it derivative doing bad things? Come on. I think you're supposed to make... Because normally a derivative evens things out. It's weird that it's causing the fluctuation. Yeah, with it being a value less than 2, it doesn't really contribute at all. 1.5. Try it now. Nothing? Is it like not gonna affect it unless I'm setting it as more than 2? Then it's too much. Ah, come on. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn derivative off. Strictly speaking, it's not needed. My engine's running fine, even if it's not exactly where we want. I could probably just double the proportional gain. Get it close enough. Probably more than enough to fly. Yeah. Okay. And now I'm going to just dummy tie a function block to the pitch and funk. Okay. And that's gonna go from feet up and down. Okay. And it is x plus 1 divided by 2, or better yet, times 0.5, because computer logic multiplication is faster than division. Go figure. Okay. Oh, and all that needs to be negative. Negative. Now, oh, what's going on there? Why is my propeller not spinning? Oh, clutch pressure needs to be a constant number. Where can I tuck this? Put it right there. Okay. 1.0. Yeah. Yep, so pitch control. Oh, I didn't set it for sticky. Oops. Oh well. I can just hold it down while flight testing. This is not going to get me fast enough. That's for sure. So what I need is to set the gearbox up high. Actually, I'm gonna make it 3 blades. Slightly less torque for slightly better efficiency. Come on. Oh no. My front landing gear. I have to add a lock on my front landing gear. It just broke. It'll look ugly if I. Oh, but it might need. Okay. Fine, fine. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Shoot. Hmm. Not sure what choices I have. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Let's figure this one out. No. fully broke. Okay. Solution's probably to just overextend this just a little bit. Sharing this toggle between everything. Which is bad. Really shouldn't. Okay. So for you, off value is gonna be like negative 0.15 and on value 1. That will cause it to overextend by just a little. Oh no. It died. I wish the gear ratios were correct. The way they're implemented. There we go. All the RPMs go away. Just, darn it. He's just like completely disintegrated. Uh, really need it to be aggressive about the RPM. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Why isn't it starting? Come on. Oh. It's too aggressive. I think 0.5 is as high as I can go. Unless I use an alternate PID entirely for the starter. So like if stuff's less than stuff, do stuff, right? Okay. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Numerical switch box. Okay. When RPM is greater, when RPM is greater than 4.5, use the standard PID and activate the PID. Otherwise, the value should just be a set value. I'm gonna say half throttle. It really should be like full throttle. I'm also gonna turn the gearbox down just a little bit. Now it should be more inclined to start. Come on, you dumb engine. Why is the air coming through wrong now? Right? So 1.0. Oh. Use the same fucking number both times. There we go. Oh no. Now it's hitting 4.5 and going a little stupid. Hmm. That was a weird glitch. I looked over. Whole screen just kind of flickered on me. Not the whole monitor, just the OBS screen. Be good because my monitor was crapping on me. I'd be real upset. Okay. Did I remember to turn the engine on? Dumb question that. Point. Yeah. Okay. What's your problem? Come on, come on. Work for me, you dumb plane. It was just too aggressive. Don't like that. I suppose if that's as aggressive as I can be, can I add in an integral? Will it work correctly now? Since the PID should shut off until I hit 4.5. I probably have to turn it way down. Bum, bum. Yeah, those values are still completely unusable. Probably just use derivative instead of integral. Integral never works correctly for me. Let's try it now. Derivative is going crazy. Controller, you're not working for me. It just wants to not behave. Like, the fact that the integral freaks the frick out like it does, and there's no way for you to like custom set stuff in this game, makes it impossible. Like you should be able to set, you should be able to clamp the integral for sure. Just makes like setting up a good engine controller really difficult. Running out of ideas. Just need it. Maintain a constant RPM. Not gonna recover, so I'm just not gonna get the speed to fly this thing. I just turn the RPMs up. That defeats the purpose, though. Of course, if RPMs up, by the pig control does this thing, blah 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 blah. Can it work now? You can keep fighting me. I don't know if I can get this thing to go fast. What? 14. The rear. Still high enough, right? I hope so. Let me check the prop. Like scraping the ground. Oh, it still like completely wrecks that front wheel. For no reason. Man, physics joints are enough. I just don't think it's gonna go fast enough. Oh. Splash. Yeah, no. Dreams of a pusher prop. Not man. I do wish you could set the blade pitch to negative like you can set it to positive. Losing out on literally like half a throw's worth of pitch angle is pretty bad. This controller is not good. Not good at all at holding that value. Um, I don't know. Is anyone out there having good ideas on how to make good engine coolers, constant RPM. In the end, I've always basically just given up. Like, it needs an integral. But how do you have an integral that doesn't explode? Well, it's still useful. So that value seems much better. Let me turn derivative off. Try to get rid of all that fluctuation. I don't think we need it. Why does this front wheel miss? It's like crazy. Well, I'm at a point now where I think I can probably get it to be airborne. But I think I'm gonna have to put some canards on the front. Avoid doing columns. Feel tiny. They are. Let's give this a try. I think. Oh wait, they need. Uh oh, those are backwards. Slide. To them. There we go. Alright, so you can't slam the throttle around, you gotta kind of tap it. Eh. Darn it. That's really nose heavy. I bet the center lift's probably back there. It's the best way. All the way. I use some cheater fins. Probably still mess up gas tank. Yeah. This might just be a bad design. It just might not fly good. I got to wait far back, possibly. I mean, I can lighten the nose a little bit and then shorten, add some weight in the tail. So if I add weight back in the tail, now it's a lot lighter. Woohoo! Oh no. Boom. Okay. I can actually fix this in the PID. Very simply. Clamp between 0 and 1. That'll fix that. Alright. Yeah, I think it might fly now. Wait, if I am clamping between 0 and 1, I can make the PID like hyper aggressive. 0.7. Because it can't flood the engine. Oh, and an even better point, I can actually then let the air equal 1 and the fuel equal 0.5. Now, it's not the most efficient, but hey. Look at that. Heck yeah. That is substantially more flyable. Da 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 da. Success. How fast can it go? I might have to take one of those blades off. That'll be fine. The real question is, can I land it with no gauges? Oh, I don't like how fast that fuel goes down sometimes. Also, I have 0 yaw. Oh no. That's the integral going out of control. Like I said, I wind up just like not using it. Whatever. Just be more aggressive. And it's just to get the throttle value and stuff. But yeah, if I can set the throttle, set the air intake, then adjust the fuel according to the air. That's probably the way it's gotta be. Excuse me. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and take off that one blade. See if it flies any better. Alright, well, that's it for me today. Thanks everyone to stop by. Catch y'all later.